made it to the White Temple. It's so gorgeous. It's made out of stucco and it's supposed to be pure, but it has good and bad here.
The White Temple is privately owned by the artist Chalermchai Kositpipat. At the end of the 20th century, the original temple that stood here was in a bad shape and it needed to be fixed up. The funds were not available, so the artist bought this and he started fixing it up with his own money. He believed the project would give him immortal life. The White Temple was opened to visitors in 1997. It is still ongoing and it's not expected to be completed until 2070.
It's the hell, good or bad. You have the reaching, trying to pull down all the bad people. You can see all the hands. The detail of the stucco work is pretty amazing.
This bridge is called the Bridge of the Circle of Rebirth. It goes across a small little lake. In front of the bridges are hundreds of outreaching hands that symbolizes unrestrained desire. The bridge proclaims that the way to happiness is by forging temptation, greed, and desire. As you cross the bridge, there are serpents on each side. When you get to the end of the bridge, you arrive to the gates of heaven, guarded by the two creatures, Death and Robe.
This is so cool. Like, look at the detail of this place. So amazing.
After you cross the bridge, you get to the main building called the Abusat. The Abusat embodies designs from classic Thai architecture, such as three-tiered roof and abundance of serpents. Once you make it inside the temple, it goes from pristine white to fiery and bewildering.
How happy you are right now?
I'm so happy. This is gorgeous. And right now there's like no people, except for the people coming up the stairs. It's so cool, it's so gorgeous. Inside's amazing. We were already in there. You can't show videos or take pictures, but the wall's all modern. It's so weird. So there's like Spider-Man and Batman and the Twin Towers and what the heck is that? They have just all the modern culture because the artist wanted to show in the future what it used to be right now. He's still working on it. He's been working on it since about 1994, and he's thinking apparently there's going to be maybe 10 or 20 more years of working on it. He has an apprentice that helps him and paints, and they paint every day and then just add little details. It's pretty cool. The details in the mirrors are amazing. Now we're gonna go around the back. We already went through the temple, but you can't show video through the temple. And now we're at the back side of the temple, walking around and exiting. Just the back of the temple is even gorgeous. Oh, you can see where he's still working on the back. He hasn't even added the stucco to the back of it yet. So it's still, definitely still work in progress. The work, and all the silver around is little mirrors, and in the sun they actually glisten. You can kind of see it over here, some glistening, but it's a little cloudy because of the smoke right now.
As you walk out of the temple, you could see all these silver things hanging from the ceiling.
So people could purchase these and put good lucks on them, and then they go up and they put them under the roof because they don't want to get rid of them, so they just keep adding it to the ceilings, and you could just see thousands and thousands of them. And they're just all the way lining everything. It's really neat. Wow. Oh, that's cool. So we just purchased one of these little good luck charms, and you write on it and you put a little message and then you put it on the tree. And then once the tree fills up, they put them under the eaves and it stays in the white temple forever. It's supposed to be good luck. And hopefully it'll be good luck so we actually make it home to the United States during the coronavirus. March 20th, 2020. I don't have enough room to write that down. So peace and love and prosperity, but I don't know how to spell that, so peace and love. Okay, now we're gonna go put it in the tree.
It's like hanging Christmas decorations.
Perfect, good luck. Okay. So this golden temple is the bathroom. It's gorgeous. It's probably the nicest bathroom in a temple that I've been to. And they have regular toilets. You don't have to like squat. It's pretty nice.
The bathroom stands out because it's one of the only things that is not white. The gold symbolizes how people focus on worldly desires and money. The white building represents the idea to make merit and to focus on the mind instead of material things. As you walk around, there's different parts to this compound. There's so far 4 parts that are built: a meditation hall, the Abusat, an art gallery, and accommodations for monks. There's plans for 5 more parts of the temple, and it's anticipated to be done about 2070. The White Temple is one of the most unusual and contemporary temples in all of the world. It is a must-see if you get to Chiang Rai. Our next stop is to go visit the Long Neck tribe.